Here is the install video for the CZ P10f Magwell. The mag extensions install just the same way as all our M&P extensions do. We have videos on those as well. But the Magwell is a bit different on how it goes on. It locks in on this post in the back, and so it works with all the different back straps. You will need some type of spacer or something in order to tap out the roll pin and a roll pin punch. This is a 3/32 roll pin punch, and the roll pin punches are different than a standard punch as they have a bit of a tip there that goes into the center of the roll pin and helps it to not deform. So you'll take and knock the pin out. It's the same pin that you use to hold in your back strap. So if you're needing to change out your back strap, now's the perfect time. The full size is a little bit different. We've also made a video on the compact, but the full size you'll need to take the back strap out just a bit and then start to feed the post into the back of there and start to pull it down, and then you'll actually pull to the front to get it over that front lip. Make sure it's all the way tight on there, all the way to the back. Look into the hole and make sure that you don't see too much of the back post. You might see just a little bit of it. That's okay, because then it'll suck it to the back. But if the hole is the post isn't all the way down or something, or the magwell isn't all the way down, you'll see it in the hole that it's not lined up properly. So just make sure that's good. The roll pin itself is rolled from one piece of steel, and then it has these teeth on one side. So you want to put the teeth towards the front so that the smooth part will be up against the post of the magwell. This pin has been taken in and out a few times, and it's actually been squished at the two sides. If yours has one side that's a little bit wider than the other, make sure you start with the narrower side to put it back in. You want to have everything good and tight and start the pin with the teeth facing forward, and then start tapping it in with the hammer. Just gently tap it in. You shouldn't have to hit it hard. If you are having to hit it hard, it might be catching on that, so you need to readjust or something, or you might need to kind of angle it forward so that it kind of grabs the back post and then can start to push it back into the place that it needs to be. Once it's good and even with the frame, tap it a little bit more with your roll pin punch so that it's nice and even on both sides and nice and smooth and out of the way. After that, it's a very long grip on the full size, so most people won't come all the way down to the edge there, but it does have a nice grip for those with large hands or for your support hand. It's nice, seamless transition from the angle here to the actual frame, so that you get those nice mag changes just like all their other parts.